Hello everyone. So I work at SBB in mobile application development team, and we have been using AI in mobile applications about 5 years. Now I will go through some of the use cases we have done in the past, and I will show what comes next. So in the very beginning, we wanted to have an easy use case to learn the technology and test it. And we had the use case at SBB Garage. We wanted to optimize how our people work in the garage. So typically they have to change some parts into trains, and they have to order these trains. And we noticed that it took actually quite a long time for our people to go through the catalogs and find out what is the exact ID of the item they have to order. So we took most used parts and we trained the mobile application which detects the parts, and our employees can easily order these parts. Next use case is related to repairing and cleaning the stations and trains. So we have internal application called Repair and Clean, which is used to report if something is broken or dirty. And behind the scenes, we have a dataset containing 100,000 images and about 150 different categories. And with this application, our employees can very quickly create a report what is broken or dirty. Earlier, we had a similar application without AI, and it took about 2 minutes to fill in all the details, and now we are down to 15 seconds. Next use case is related to stations maintenance. At the stations, we have a lot of different kind of custom devices and many variations of them. For example, at the stations, we have 300 loudspeakers, and if our service want to fix them, always the first question is, what is the device ID of this particular device? And it is not that easy task to answer. Also, we would like to do to collect all the items what we have and see how they are positioned in the station. So we have now created a 3D model of some of our stations, and this 3D model contains the objects what we have in the station. And now we can combine this 3D building information model with augmented reality and AI, and we have created a mobile application which detects the object. And this application can render the 3D object on top of the real object, and we can now match the digital twin with the real object. And now when I point the object with my mobile phone, I get immediately this ID of each of these devices. And now I could move forward and get all the information or update the information. So in this way, we can get rid of all the physical labels which are as stickers on some of the devices. Next use case that we have is SBB inclusive application. This application is used by our blind and visually impaired customers. So it's voice controlled application, and it really has the necessary information what the people need to travel. And now we are updating this application, and we are building a new feature. In this new feature, we detect the doors of the train, and the application also tells how far away from the doors you are, and where is the button to open the doors. So this will be released really soon, and I hope our customers are happy and now they can travel easily. Okay, I hope you have a nice conference. Thank you.